Each year, more and more tax dollars are devoted to Medicare and Medicaid. We've devoted new resources to job training and placement. I've directed the federal government to hire more veterans. Because this is the season when we celebrate the simplest yet most profound gift of all, the birth of a child who devoted his life to a message of peace, love, and redemption. Among the fallen were also teachers, men and women who devoted their lives to helping our children fulfill their dreams. This is not meant as a condemnation of Mr. Wagner, who's devoted his life to this company and has had a distinguished career. Rather, it's a recognition that we'll take new vision and new direction to create the GM of the future.
The President's budget will add up to 800 full-time IRS employees devoted to detecting and bringing to justice those who unlawfully hide assets and income.
That's also why I'm asking Dr. Jill Biden, a community college professor who's devoted her entire life to education and who happens to be married to the Vice President, to lead a national effort to raise awareness about what we're doing to open the doors to our community colleges.
My mother has devoted her life to my brother and me. And as the President mentioned, she worked often 2 jobs to help support us after Dad died.
Jose Joe Greer Jr. has devoted his career to improving medical services for the uninsured.
All have devoted their lives to the healing of others. And a proud country devoted to you.
The 2009 National Medal of Arts to Milton Glaser for a lifetime devoted to improving the way people communicate through innovation in graphic design and for memorable visual artifacts that challenge contemporary artists and delight all Americans.
And to Medicaid. But what also made these large deficits possible was that
I have had the opportunity to serve under 2 remarkable presidents who have devoted themselves to lifting the lives of others and who have inspired a great many more to do the same.
our borders will not be secure as long as our limited resources are devoted to not only stopping gangs and potential terrorists, but also the hundreds of thousands who attempt to cross each year simply to find work. As part of that process, today I am proud to announce the appointment of an experienced public servant, a devoted patriot, my friend, fellow Chicagoan, Bill Daley, to serve as my chief of staff. He's a public servant who has devoted his life to making this economy work and making it work specifically for middle-class families.